What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Window Tinting Business, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an install with security film with pre-cut film where it's cut exact. We're not going to be doing an overlapping pattern where we cut the security film on the glass itself. The idea is to go ahead and cut it exact and then go from there. So while I was making this video, obviously the purpose of the video is to show you what to do, but the film did end up like shifting slightly on the film handler, and my preferred method now is to cut an inch over and just cut on the glass. It's much easier, it's much simple. Cutting exact, unfortunately, sometimes doesn't work very well because if it goes too short, then the gap is too big, and you can't exceed 1/8 of an inch. So in this video, you're gonna see that there's more than 1/8 of an inch. I'm fully aware of that. I just want to keep pushing forward just for the video's sake. But if you do pre-cut the film exact without having to trim on the glass, you do have to keep that gap 1/8 of an inch or smaller. So just gonna keep that in mind. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon. Here's the thing. I'm just gonna show like what we do and how we do it. You know what I mean? Because correct me if I'm wrong, but we two-man drop it together, right? That's the easiest way we've done it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can do it the other way because I feel like there's so much more involved.
Yeah. Yeah, and I don't want to show people that like what we don't do. I want to show people what we do. All right, so I'm going to trim this corner 45 and then shove this up, and then same thing here. There we go. That way we're getting a better 90-degree instead of this wicked curve here.
Too bad to work with?
Nah, nothing's too bad to work with.
Sure. Depends on who you are, I guess.
So you can trim the corners like that, slice it 45, or you can just cut it straight. And cutting it straight is a little bit easier work. Boom. All looks clean, either which way. Cutting it straight and cutting that corner out so the film lays there, obviously it's much faster. Opa. So the most important thing with laying security film, because it's 8mm, you have to have a solid cleaning. If you don't have a good cleaning, a small grain of sand, which you can normally like crush with solar film, like regular 1.5 to 2mm film, you can't do that with 8mm. So a small grain of sand will be a $50 dome. There's nothing you can do about it. So when in doubt, clean twice. let's do it again.
I have to spend like 5 minutes on every hole in golf now just looking for spare golf balls.
Yep. Just so we can launch them in the backyard.
Free drive area.
We'll launch this one away. So I cut the sides exact and the bottom is long, so I am gonna cut the bottom, but like if you mess up the bottom cut, it's on the bottom. It's very not noticeable. All right, are you ready?
Just gonna pull the whole thing here.
Yeah. Good. All right.
And I stripped over my spray tank.
Trick with security film, try to lay it flat. Don't try to trap an air bubble in there, because you trap an air bubble in there, it's a lot easier to champagne. Let it lay flat. Split the gap.
I would try to shift it. To the right.
I'm splitting them, top and bottom. It's there, it's just a little slippery.
Pedro, the trash guy, just called to say that they're gonna pick it up today, confirmed, and they're gonna take all of it. So I'm putting it all in the street.
Yes, we'll see, won't we?
We'll see if they actually come.
Yep. And that's it. As long as you're 1/8 of an inch from the edges of the window film, you are within regulation.